Hello guys, today we are going to grill the fish. Look at the fish. It's big. So the fire is ready. See the fire? It's wood fire. What time is it? It's time to grill. Okay, so let's do this. So we're going to put the isda here. Maybe right here. Here's the fish. So going to put like this. And maybe just like that. Oh. Huh? My thing is not. Okay. It's ready. So we're just going to
You need gloves, man. You can't.
put it like that. So there's the fish. Yeah, I hear you. We have. Oh my goodness, it's very hot. Here's our garden. There's the fish. See you later when it's ready to eat.